I'll
second.
look at it first. Wow.
Oh, man, that's cool.
That's what hung over your door at the old house.
Really? Oh, that's neat. Oh
Well,
my
it's
gosh.
as close as we could get it to the same
You know
font.
what, it's probably hanging, where is that? And is it in our garage? I mean, my garage?
My garage?
You should look at this. Isn't that cool?
Oh, isn't that cool?
Yeah. That's just
That- Wow. Holy cow.
Look at the bed. Oh my God. That's just incredible. You even got the, oh,
I helped him put the wheels on.
oh, that's cool. That's,
Aw.
oh, wow. That's awesome. That's just, that's,
I wouldn't do anything with it for about 28 days. Because it's still
No.
pretty soft.
I will take all the snow.
Oh, Mike, that's awesome.
Wow, that is just incredible. Holy cow. Yeah, it gets down like an old man. Look underneath here. Oh, those wheels, geez.
He's not gonna let anybody sit in it now. Nobody's gonna be able to use it. You have to put blankets and.
Bearings in there instead of, it was like
I don't blame
a
you.
collar.
Yeah.
So I put bearings in there instead, so. It was wearing that shit out.
Damn.
Please don't touch this. Here and
That was, those were two of our buys at the
Oh, I know.
Reed store. Yeah, that was like $5. And it was a brand new $20, but the paper towels, yeah, don't quite fit. We got to get the right paper towels.
I thought about getting one of those from Husky last time we were
They
there.
had more, yeah.
Hey,
I might go back and get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all welded in now.
I can't believe how straight these sides are. Wow,
Yeah.
that had to be.
Did you curse much?
I heard a few when he dropped the paint.
Drop a paint? Oh.
There was a few times the paint gun, he set it down and I'd go inside and I'd hear something and I'd be like, oh.
No.
Well, tell him what you were planning to
Well, I was
do.
planning on doing that rhino line stuff along the top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And then the other day I sanded it down and smoothed it back out and it looked a lot better. So then I wasn't gonna do it. But then it peeled a little bit, so we can either do it. or
He's
not.
got it if you want to do it.
Well, that might be good to do it